July 7th, 2009. Cam's about 20 months old. We're at the Wisconsin Dells. Good job, Bubba! Cam can play in the water. Perfect size for him.
Good job! My turn, my turn.
Hi, Cam. Whoa. Whoa.
Jump on it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's not what he wanted to do, I guess. That's his new favorite word, is no.
Oh, you want me to come out?
Alright, see you later. He's off. There's 3 different sections to this little water park.
Hey, no, come on.
Okay. You can go down the slide.
Sit down.
Sit on your bum. Good job. Woo!
Good boy.
So there's this part, and it's got a couple different slides. Then there's the big pool over there, which is a little deeper. Still too big for him right now. But off to chase him again.